Peace and blessings, everyone. Hopefully, everybody's having a great day. I'm just posting a very short video before I go pick up my daughter. I want to thank everyone who has supported my channel. It's going on 10 years. I thought March made 10 years. I think I started the channel in March. However, March 2010. However, some of those videos I had locked so you all couldn't see them. They were private, personal videos. Some of them I have unlocked so you can go back and see them. And, you know, this started off as a beauty channel and quickly turned into something even more fabulous, dealing with hair, since that was my specialty in the first place. However, I would like to thank each and every one of you, both my old ride or dies, you know, my empresses, my emperors, from the beginning until now, the very new ones, the ones that just subscribed yesterday, the ones that subscribed within the past couple weeks. I have been struggling trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, and I know that that's not a big deal, you know, when there's YouTubers that have millions of subscribers. But just the fact that, you know, I took a break, or I would do a video here and there, or I'll just put out a video once a month or whatever. You know, you all stuck and stayed for the most part. Most people have stuck and stayed, and I appreciate it. Last night before midnight, I hit 5,000 subscribers, and I'm elated. I'm happy. I'm grateful, you know, to just have 5,000 people that are interested in hearing anything that you will, anything that you have to talk about. You know, I think that a lot of people came to the channel just expecting to hear about, you know, dreadlocks, which this is definitely still a dreadlock channel. Don't get it twisted. We still talk about dreads, freeform, mostly freeform, or, you know, natural hair care, period, and skincare. And we've also evolved into talking about nutrition. Speaking of nutrition, if you did not get a chance to see the video yesterday, I know it is a 2-hour, it's a live chat. So all my live chats are normally an hour to 2 hours. If you didn't get a chance to see it, please make sure that you check it out. Especially everybody that's freaking out about their immune system and what should they do, or anybody that's thinking about changing their lifestyle into like a more healthier lifestyle. You know, a lot of people are scared because of all the things that's going on that they're talking about in the news, on the radio. I don't even have to mention it. It's overwhelming for a lot of people. However, you know, one thing I can say is don't have fear. Do not fear. Seriously, because as we chatted yesterday, and as Empress Sahar spoke to me and said, you know, fear, and definitely, you know, it can cause your immune system to break down, as well as I knew that stress, because I've dealt with stress most of my life, can break your immune system down. And the last thing you need to do is be broken and no good for anyone. But if you missed yesterday's chat, I had Mike Jones on here with me. Michael Jones, if anybody's in Chicago, if anybody has been to Chicago and you're vegan and you have been to Majani, Mike Jones is the brother to the owners, and he plays a role in you know, a big role, I'm sure, in Majani's. I first met him, well, we debated on whether we met at the garden or if we met at Majani's, but anyhow, Mike is a person who, I mean, I don't know, the bond, the energy, the whole vibe yesterday was totally on point. I understand if you don't get a chance to watch the whole video, but if you're looking to clean out your system, if you're looking to boost up your immune system, if you're looking to lose weight, if you're looking to just change your lifestyle, have a healthy lifestyle change, both of us, Mike has, my thing was getting my my body internally back in order, and getting off some of the medications that I was on for depression, as well as anxiety, which caused me to have like a high triglyceride problem, a very high triglyceride problem. And having a 12-year-old daughter, I was afraid of dying. I was afraid of losing my life because I was at heart attack, stroke level. The guidelines say that you shouldn't be over 150. I had went up to 500 plus. And then when I thought that I was doing good, because I've been doing green smoothies and everything, went back, and was like, yeah, I think I want to get off this medication or whatever. This was like one of the final medications I wanted to get off of. And they were like, well, your triglycerides are up to 700 and something. So they tried to make me get on a high dosage of medication. And I decided that day, I was like, no, I'm going to go home and study and find out what I need to do to get my triglycerides down. With that being said, yesterday was very enlightening, listening to Mike and, just having an open conversation. You all know about the Rottweiler in the house. Anyone that's new here, yeah, he'll be on the channel. If you haven't seen him yet, he's on the channel. However, again, if you want to learn some new eating habits, what did Mike tell me yesterday? He said, don't say, I was going to say between the both of us, Mike lost 75 pounds during his journey. And so far, I'm like 90 plus pounds. And that started, I had been working on, just getting back to my normal self for over a year, but really, when I found out July 8th was when I definitely got in tune with what I needed for my body to make a change. So if you're looking to make a change, if you're looking to get healthier, if you're looking to just look better for the summer, if you want a healthy lifestyle for your children or whatever, please make sure that you check out that video. I'm going to also link Mike's information down below. He has recipes. He has all types of nice videos. He doesn't do YouTube yet. I'm sure he will be doing YouTube soon, though, especially after yesterday. But he does have an Instagram page where he does videos on, and he does have a Facebook page. So I want you all to support Mike as well and continue to support me. Thank you all for helping me reach 5,000, 5K. I mean, somebody who had social anxiety, agoraphobia, couldn't leave the house or wouldn't leave the house, for some years and stuff, and dealt with going from being an extrovert to an introvert. I mean, it was a major change for me. Even going over to his house yesterday was a major change for me. I hadn't been over a man's house just to sit back and have a conversation and to feel comfortable, and he definitely made me feel very comfortable. I really would like for you all to check out that video. Check it out in pieces. I mean, check out the beginnings. Play it while you're cleaning the house or whatever. You can still listen to it. You don't have to see us. But it was an excellent video. It really was. Again, thank you all for helping me reach 5K. It's still at 5K as of right now, but I hit it before midnight yesterday, and it's staying on 5K. So I'm pretty excited about that, which means that my platform is just expanding so that I can share more information with more people. Definitely trust and believe. We're going to be talking about dreadlocks, natural hair, all of that. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, retired. However, I definitely have information to give many. I've been growing my natties for 16 years, 5 months, and some days or so, and I have a lot to share. I will continue to share. I have over 300 and something videos. Nutrition might not be your thing, but if you understand the fact that if you want healthy hair, if you want clear skin, if you want to live long, nutrition is important. So, that will definitely be a part of our Sunday chats as well. as well as like videos that I do on a regular basis. So hopefully you all will continue to rock with me. Thank you. I probably will do a giveaway. 5,000, I think it warrants a giveaway. I think I did one at 4K. So I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway at 5K, which will probably consist of, let's see, probably some of my dreadlock beads that I've been working on. Whoever wins would just have to let me know the diameter that they need. This is one bead. Actually, I did this a long time ago, long before I had dreads, and I found it in my crafting case. But I will be sharing a little basket of things with whoever, and I'll give you all the details. I'll post the details when I really decide what it is that I would like to do for my 5K. But again, thank you all for supporting me. Thank you to all the other YouTubers that have supported me. Boho Trends, Seb, LaShawn Jones, Not Nation, Mars Attacks. You know, Not Nation did a review on my hair. That was very kind. Thank you all again, and peace and love. Just continue to stay strong. If I could get out of being fearful after living a fearful life for 16 years because of the panic attacks, because of the anxiety, because of numerous things that were going on in my head, which could have come from a chemical imbalance, could have come from, I don't know, some trauma that I may have blocked out, or some trauma that I didn't really think of as trauma. I have no idea. We still, to this day, I still can't pinpoint where the serious amount of trauma, of attacks came from. And I mean, it was like, it still goes on. I don't want you to think that I'm healed by any means. I just learned how to control things a different way. You know what I mean? Sometimes we have to detach, you know, and sometimes we have to find things that work for us. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short, and just, again, thank you to everyone who has helped me along with this journey, especially the nutrition part. I mean, that was the part that I thought I always knew about, you know, because I always was a healthy eater, hadn't been eating beef or porks for a long time. I'm not going to go into that whole spiel, because you can check all that out in the video from yesterday. But thank you everyone who has shared my videos. Thank you to everyone who watches my videos, even through the commercials, or let them play. You know, all of that helps my channel. I don't get paid a lot. This doesn't even pay my light bill, but I enjoy this. This has also helped me to open up and to communicate and socialize, because I wasn't really socializing a lot during the time when and I still don't socialize that much, but I wasn't really socializing at all when the panic attacks were really, really bad. But again, on a positive note, I am in greater health. I feel so much better. I'm happy to be at 5K. Thank you, and thank you. Blessings to all. I love you.